Runa's Diary. This is the first vlog from Darjeeling. In this video, I am going to give you details about a beautiful homestay in Darjeeling. From every room of this homestay, you get the mesmerizing view of Mountain Kanchenjunga. So keep watching. So now we are on the way to Darjeeling and we are going via Sightseeing. So yeah, and the hills have started showing. Look how beautiful it is showing over here. I think it will gonna rain over there, but yeah, it's so beautiful. It's so green. Now we are at Sightseeing Tourist Lodge and we stopped here just to take some photos. And the view from here is very beautiful. Just look at the view. Now we are at Margaret Bay. So from this cafe, the view is very awesome, but now the weather is very cloudy, so I don't think so we will get a good view, but I will show you around. So from here you get to see a very nice view, but due to the weather we are not seeing, but it's looking very awesome. Like the clouds are literally passing by.
If it's love that you need, you can take it from me, 'cause I'm the one who's giving it up. And I know it's been hard, but you've made it this far. No, I'm the one who's giving it up.
Reached our homestay and we are staying at Little Forest Homestay, and I'll give you this homestay tour, so keep watching the video. The dining area is also very beautiful, so yeah, I'll show you. This is the dining room, and from here also you can see the view, the awesome view. Our lunch is over now and we are roaming around here, the beautiful surrounding. So yeah, after roaming some time we'll go to room and have rest, and after that we'll have snacks. So now it's evening time and I'm in the dining room all alone. I'm just enjoying the nature. The clouds are passing by. It's just so beautiful. I think if you ever come to Darjeeling, you must come to this homestay. You will have a great experience. Near this homestay, they have Airtel network and Jio network. So there is tower actually, Airtel and Jio tower. So if you want to do work from home, you can do that as well. From here, you will get good network. So yeah, I think you must come here. So now we came for dinner, and for today's dinner menu we have egg curry and roti and one mixed vegetable. So I'll show you how is the taste. I'll tell you. I'll give you now a room tour. Just look at this room. This is 4-bedded room and full wooden room. And so these are the 2 beds over here, and they have given us chair as well for sitting. And the best part of this room is this big windows. I will look at the view. So from here you get to see Kanchenjunga. We got to see a little bit in the morning, but now it's total foggy. But just look the view. I mean, it's so beautiful.
Here in your arms, counting all the stars. Oh, oh, oh. When will you have time to keep me in your life? So, oh, oh. Our past is forgotten, our stories rewritten. Good we can be here in your arms, counting all the stars. Oh, oh, oh. When will you have time to keep me in your life? So, oh, oh. Our past is forgotten, our stories rewritten.
Second day in our homestay, Little Forest Homestay. So yeah, just we are at the rooftop, and look at the view. The view outside is like amazing. I mean, it's like it can't be described on words, or it can't be shown on the video or photo. You have to come here and experience it. It's amazing. And we saw Kanchenjunga as well, like a little bit, just the top. So that can be seen from the other side, but now the weather is mostly cloudy, so yeah, it's not showing, but we got to see a little bit. And really, I'm just loving the weather. I'm enjoying everything. Like it's beautiful. So the first vlog from Darjeeling I'm ending here, and yes, I have great experience in this homestay. And our next destination is another homestay, which is in College Valley. So that vlog will be in the second part. Keep watching, and if you love this video, then do share this with your friends. Bye.
We can be